What's up, you guys? My name is Zeus Daz. I am the founder of Chrome Beard Growth Solutions, and I'm gonna take you guys right to our website. So immediately you will come across 4 different categories: the original merch, which is hoodies, t-shirts, shorts, backpacks, fanny packs. You get the point. Then it's going to be beard growth products. That is the one that you want to click on. We have 3 different bundles. So what is the purpose of each one? Basically, we have 3 different packages. The first one is our 1-month supply. This is perfect if you have an established facial hair, if you have an established beard already, and you just have a spot or so where it doesn't quite fill in. Our 1-month supply would be perfect for that. Luckily, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Our 1-month supply is meant to be used every single day for 30 days, and if you do not get results in the 30 days, we have a 100% money-back guarantee. The next bundle that we have is our 3-month supply. Our 3-month supply is perfect if you have sideburns, you have maybe a little bit of hair on your chin, a little bit of mustache, but it doesn't quite connect. So something for a medium-sized area to fill. Our 3-month supply is the one that I would recommend. Now, ultimately, our 6-month supply is if you don't have any facial hair at all. So if you have kind of like a baby face, you've never really grown any facial hair at all, our 6-month treatment is perfect for you. Anyways, newgenstudio.shop. You go to the home page. You come across 4 different categories. We have merch, we have performance supplements, and free downloads. You guys can check all that out at a later time. newgenstudio.shop. We're going to go under beard growth. Under here, this is where you will find the packages. If you guys use discount code Zeus, you guys can get 15% off any of your purchases on any of our items. It's free shipping, $50 and above. Catch you guys in another video. Peace.